Hello, today we're taking a look at Ardic's Senza Underdesk PC. This concept of PC is known and has been around since 2024, and today they are launching the latest model, which is equipped with AMD's Ryzen AI 9 Ajax 370 processor, hence the name AI 370. So let's now take a look at the box itself and what's inside the box, or rather how the PC is packed. As you can see on the front side, there's a graphics of the product itself, and it doesn't differ a lot from the previous model. And on the back side you can see all the relevant information about how this PC is equipped. Also, you won't find a user manual in this box, and Ardic has a QR code on every box on their products where you can access the product manual. First thing that we can see is this little template for mounting the PC under the desk. Take a look. There's three boxes, and the PC itself is packed like this. So the PC itself is very much like the previous one, like the old one. Here we have some protective stickers, which we will remove. Of course, it is important to mention that this PC has completely passive cooling, and we will take a look inside to show you what that exactly looks like. On the bottom we see 3 feet on each side, on which the PC is mounted under the desk. Those are used for contact surfaces, and there are the holes for mounting the PC under the table. The back, or rather front panel, is also protected with this green sticker, and here we can see all the ports of this PC. So on top of the PC we can see large aluminum fins from this passive cooling, which have heat pipes inside of them, and on each side there are 3 heat pipes, and we will see how that looks like when we open the PC. Let's see what else is in these boxes. Here we have the power cable for European market, and also additional front panel, which can be mounted closer to the edge of the table, so we can turn on the PC and use the 3.5mm jack for the headphones, also Type A USB and Type C USB, and that is connected via 2 USB Type C ports here on the front of the PC. Just like this. The older model had a completely separate front panel from the rest of the PC, and it was on the fixed cable. So this is new for this model. Also, here we have probably the AC adapter. because the box is very heavy. Yes, here it is, and it's a 19 volt 120 watt unit. And in this last box we have a cable management sleeve with zippers, a plastic PSU holder, some Velcro ties, 2 of them, various screws and ties and other equipment for cable management and mounting the PC under the desk. So this PC measures 356 millimeters in length, 180 millimeters in width and 50 millimeters in height. The front panel itself is 95 millimeters long, 56 millimeters wide and 16 millimeters thick. The warranty on the underdesk PC is 2 years. Operating temperature is from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius and the weight of the PC is 2.5 kilograms. Let's now take a look what's under the hood. This top plate is held by 4 screws. And when we remove it, you can see the inside of the PC. Under the cooler there's, like we said, a Ryzen AI 9 AJAX 370 CPU, which has an integrated Radeon 890M graphics card. There's also 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM at 8000 megatransfers per second. There's also Wi-Fi 7, which has a Bluetooth 5.3, and also there's a 2.5 gigabit LAN adapter, and it's got 1 terabyte of storage. So it's a NVMe TLC SSD, which is connected via a PCI Express 4.0 port, and it has a aluminum cooler. So that's it in this unboxing, and we'll see you at the next one.